Finally, you already bought your van. One of the good things is you can make many ways. If you're a hardworking person, I will give you a couple of tips making money for free. All you have to do is subscribe my channel, like and share. Great Choice Delivery Service. Independent courier business with a Sprinter van is a solid move. It's scalable, high in demand, and can generate steady income if done right. Here's a step-by-step guide to get your delivery company off the ground. Step-by-step to start your delivery business. Step 1. Define your business model. Choose your type of delivery. Contract work. Work for Amazon, FedEx, UPS, DHL. On-demand platforms. Roadie Simiar apps. Local business clients. Florists, pharmacies, grocery stores, furniture shops. B2B courier. Deliver packages, documents between offices and suppliers. Step 2. Register your business. Choose a business name. Register as an LLC or sole proprietorship. Get an EIN from the IRS. Apply for a business license. Open a business bank account. Step 3. Prepare your Sprinter van. Install shelves or partitions if needed. Add branding decals or a magnetic logo. Install a dash cam, GPS, and cargo straps. Keep moving blankets, dolly, clipboard, and phone charger on board. Step 4. Get the right apps or contracts options. Apply to Amazon DSP program or Amazon Flex. Sign up with Roadie. Dispatch cold pitch local businesses needing reliable delivery. Step 5. Insurance and compliance. Get commercial auto insurance. Consider cargo insurance. DOT number if your van plus load is over 10,000 pounds. Clean driving record. Step 6. Set your pricing for direct-to-business clients. Base rate. Per mile rate. Rush delivery surcharge. Monthly retainer for regular clients. Step 7. Marketing and finding clients. Build a simple website with booking contact info. Create a Google business profile. Join local Facebook business groups. Offer a free trial delivery to new clients. Use flyers and QR codes for in-person promotion. Step 8. Track your finances. Use apps like QuickBooks, Self-Employed, Wave, or Zoho Books. Keep track of mileage, gas, tolls, maintenance for tax write-offs. Save for quarterly taxes. Bonus ideas? Partner with medical courier companies. They often pay higher rates. Offer white glove delivery. Eventually build a fleet and become an Amazon DSP contractor. If you own your own Sprinter van, the best way to success, don't work with one. Company always work as independent contracts so you can work your own schedule, your freedom. You can do OTR local or even do deliveries.